Hello again, thanks for watching our videos. Today's video is about the restoration of a 65 Mustang 6-cylinder. Picking up where we left off in part 1, here we're doing some final primer on the body before we put some paint on it. The engine ran fine, but it did need a lot of TLC. Here we've got it pulled out. We're getting ready to clean it off, repaint it, make it look better. So what do you think? I think it looks a lot better. And we have it sitting back in the car. Everything is hooked up. I did detail the rear end, as you can see here. Repainted it, cleaned it, new bearings, new seals. I think it's going to be red. Looks like it's red. That red paint with that white dash really looks nice. Here we have the grill, headlights, molding around the grill all put in. Starting to come together now. One of my least favorite jobs, putting in a headliner, but this one turned out pretty well. New front bumper, new rear bumper, new taillight bezels, new door panels, door handles, carpet. Interior is all new. Here's a front seat showing the reupholstery process, and there's a rear seat. Put new seat foam on the front seats. Of course, new upholstery all the way around. The interior has the pony interior door panels and two-tone seat upholstery. Really makes for a nice looking job. Notice that center console with the two cup holders. Almost finished, but I have one more thing I need to do to really finish the car. Last thing I done was some body color paint around aluminum wheels and then white pinstriping on top of that. I really like it. Final note, Rita and I really appreciate you watching our videos. Had a lot of good comments so far. And if you watch one, you like what you see, please subscribe. We really would appreciate it.